Hi there and welcome to a quick tutoring video from English Tutor for the Edexcel iGCSE topic of America 1941. And this time we're looking at the Great Depression and we're going to do a quick describe question. Okay, so in this video we're going to do a quick tutoring of a describe question on the Great Depression. So revise your knowledge, look at my revision guide, look at my videos, revise your knowledge, and then we're going to go into how to answer a describe question and complete a successful answer. But firstly, let's see what you can remember about the Great Depression with a quick quiz. Okay, so here's our 6 questions this time only. It's just a short little quiz. You can find it there in your revision guide. Look through the pages, see if you can answer the questions, look through my videos, or look through your notes. See if you can answer the questions. Away you go. It's question number 1. Name the tariff that brought in by Hoover to stop foreign food imports. So the Hawley-Smoot tariff, which was a massive failure, of course, because everyone else put in tariffs and American exports declined massively. How many people were unemployed by 1933? So 14 million workers unemployed. What did Hoover set up to encourage loans and investment in business? So the Reconstruction Finance Corporation was going to set aside billions of dollars for federal states to give to people to set up their businesses so they could sort themselves out with their own individual actions. Now, there are 2 ideas there. It's just that Hoover is not a do-nothing. He did try some things. They just didn't work. What proportion of farmers had been evicted from their farms by 1932? 1 in 20. Lots of farmers now bankrupt, unemployed, got real problems. How many companies have gone bankrupt? 20,000 companies. So that's all their workers losing their jobs as well. All the investors losing their money. Big problems. What do people call the places where the homeless people lived? That was called Hooverville. It was named after Hoover because he did nothing to help the people. Okay, so here's our question. Describe 2 features of the Great Depression. Now, you'll know from my other videos that I've talked about success criteria for how to achieve this question before in other videos. Look at my playlist, you'll find it in the first describe question, a bit more detail about how to complete this question successfully. The basics of it is make a point about the feature. So one feature of the Great Depression is, unemployment might be a good start, and then give your evidence to back it up. Then we need another feature with a point and some evidence. So think now, by looking over your notes, what are your points? What are your evidence going to be? So we need your features need to be your points, and then of course your evidence is going to back up your features. So pause me now and have a think about it, and you can write it in your revision guide or on some paper. Away you go. Okay, so here's my ideas. So firstly, I've said about banks collapsing and credit problems developing. So clearly we've got evidence about 5,000 banks collapsing. This meant there was no loans and investment for businesses. The businesses struggled. And so Hoover had to try and solve this by bringing in the Reconstruction Finance Corporation to replace the idea of banks. Only he'd just help with the banks. The second point was businesses collapsed and unemployment developed. So by 1932, 20,000 businesses had folded, production was down by 45%, 1 in 20 farms had folded, 25% of workers were unemployed, that's 14 million people. So lots of problems about businesses and farms collapsing, leading to unemployment. So similar to the other describe questions, this is how you set out your answer. So make your point. One feature of the Great Depression was this, unemployment perhaps. For example, then you describe a way with two sentences perhaps of information and knowledge to back up that idea. No becauses in there. Don't need to say this is because. It's not an explain question. Make your point again. Another feature was this, and back it up with your evidence. So let's go through this together, shall we? You can write it in a revision guide, write it on the paper, or just follow me talking through. So one feature of the Great Depression was this. So in our plan, we had lack of credit and loans and the failure of the bank system. So you could set that out, if you like, as your first idea. So pause me now and write your first sentence. Okay, so here's what I've got. I've got one feature of the Great Depression was the collapse of the banks, which caused severe credit investment problems. Nice and simple. So now we need our evidence to back it up. So pause now and give 2 sentences, maybe 3 sentences of evidence to back up this idea. Away you go. So I've said, for example, in 1933, 5,000 banks had failed, leading to a drastic reduction in credit and investment for businesses. This crisis prompted President Hoover to intervene with policies such as the Reconstruction Finance Corporation to stabilise the financial system, but you could develop that failed if you wanted to. So another feature of the Great Depression was this. It's another feature. So we talked about businesses folding and unemployment. So maybe you could set that out as your first sentence in this second paragraph. So pause me now and away you go. Okay, so I've said another feature of the Great Depression was the widespread bankruptcy of businesses resulting in unemployment. Okay, so how are we going to back that up? Think again, a couple of sentences of knowledge to back that up. We've got lots of facts in our plan, lots in the revision guide. Pause you now and write a nice set of information to back this up. Okay, so I've said, for instance, by 1932, 20,000 businesses had collapsed and 1 in 20 farmers had lost their farms. Additionally, factory production had plummeted by 45%. As businesses struggled to survive, they're forced to lay off their workers to cut costs, leading to 14 million people unemployed by 1933, equivalent to 25% of the workforce. So, big problems there. So as I said, just a quick video talking through described questions in the Great Depression. If you found that useful, subscribe to my channel. Loads more help there. Take a look at my revision guides. Well, bye bye for now.